Hey everyone, in today's video we shall see how to make an electromagnet with easily available material and one of its important applications. All we need is only a simple iron nail and a copper wire. Here we have taken a thread insulated copper wire and also some source of electric power. That I have taken a DC power source, that is a battery eliminator. So basically, electromagnet works on the principle that a current carrying coil develops magnetic field. And the important thing here is it develops magnetic field only as long as the current passes through it. So the moment we turn off the electric power, that means the current is switched off, then it loses the magnetism. This wonderful application can be used in many ways. One of the important applications is to lift or attract another iron object. For example, as shown here, in industries for picking up scrap material and electric bells and relays. Now let us see how we actually, use this electromagnet in lifting the scrap from one place to another. So firstly, we connect the two ends of this wire ends to the battery source, and now I'm going to lift this, bring this close to the iron nails or iron pins. So let us imagine these are the scrap now. Now I'm going to lift this to a particular place, and as soon as I reach the destination, I just turn off the current. So the moment I turn off the current, as we have seen here, it loses the magnetism and all the scrap can be, placed from one point to another. Like as shown here, the crane operator lowers a large disc on this car, and then he switches on the electromagnet, and this can be dropped anywhere by just simply switching it off. So here is another fancy model to show you the electromagnet, how it works. So we have a solenoid here, which is nothing but a copper wire which is turned very close to each other, and this is a soft iron rod which is placed in the core of the solenoid. So as long as the current passes through it, it develops a uniform magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. Now here is a small iron rod which is placed close to it in order to just test whether it gets attracted to this or not, right? So the two ends of the solenoid are connected to the battery now, right? And I'm just turning it on. The moment I turn it on, it is just attracting. There is no magnet actually, that's just an iron bar. So how this iron bar is developing magnetic field, this is due to the solenoid, because the current carrying solenoid develops magnetic field, and it passes through the iron core, and it attains the magnetism as long as the current passes through it. So this is called an electromagnet. The advantage of this electromagnet over a permanent magnet is it develops magnetic field only temporarily, unlike the permanent magnets. So whenever we want, we just turn it on, that's it. So when you increase the voltage, as you can see here, the attraction force also increases.